first time that I met her was May 3, 2007. I remember that joy I had whenever I'm with her and just wanting to be with her all the time. We were 9, 10 years old back then. Pero kahit sobrang taray mo sa akin, dinadalahan ko pa rin siya ng cream puff habang umuulan dahil alam kong paborito niya ito. I didn't knew it back then, but looking back, it was definitely more than just a crush.